Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Vinod Shinde, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Microbiology, Shankarrao Chavan Mahavidyalaya, Adapur. Today we are going to discuss about the culture medias for bacterial growth, in which first of all we have to discuss about what is microbiology. Microbiology is the science of dealing with the microorganisms that are not seen with the naked eye or microorganisms. Microorganisms are classified as bacteria, viruses, algae or microalgae, protozoa, fungi and yeasts. Microbiology deals with the microorganisms and these microorganisms require a medium or a growth condition for their growth. And this growth condition or growth was discussed by providing or given by providing the culture medium for support of their growth. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the culture media that are being prepared for the growth of some microorganisms and the basic culture mediums that are required by or basic culture requirements that are required by microorganisms for their growth. The culture media is the nutritive media for the growth of microorganisms. It differs with the type of microorganism or with the characteristics of the microorganism. Some microorganism may require nitrogen as a source of energy or basic source of energy. Some may not require that source of energy as a nitrogen, or some may require oxygen for supplementation or growth, like we. And some may not require the some microorganisms may not require the oxygen as their basic supplement. And also the carbon source may differ. Some may grow on the regular carbon, that is glucose, fructose or sugars. Some require celluloses or xyloses as their basic carbon requirement. So, in the culture media, it is the media used for growing microorganisms such as bacteria or yeast or any other microorganism. These are in three forms, or we can say these are having different forms, that is liquid, solid or semi-solid. The liquid medium is the broth, is also named as a broth, and solid medium is also named as agar base. The liquid medium, that is broth, is prepared with the same ingredients, but it is in the liquid form. And in the solid medium, there is additional supportive supplement that is provided, that is agar base. That is a gelatinous base which gives the liquid medium a solidity, and on that media the microorganism, or on that medium the microorganism can grow or colonize. In the essential requirements of the culture media are: any culture media must contain a source of energy, a source of carbon or nitrogen or sulfur or phosphorus, or all these sources of carbon, nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus, basic sources. Minerals, some microorganisms may require minerals or some may require other minerals. The examples of calcium, magnesium or sodium. Vitamins and growth factors are required by some microorganisms and some may not require that requirements. But basic requirement or the essential requirements are sources of energy and water. The sources of energy may contain carbon and a nitrogen source, and water is the basic requirement, or water activity is must for the microorganism to survive in any culture medium. The classification of culture medium is dependent upon the chemical composition and the composition known by the the person who is preparing it. The culture medium having a defined chemical composition which is known to the person who is preparing it, then this is called synthetic medium. That is, we know the composition of that medium very well, and we can change the we can have a minor changes in that medium as per our requirement, and a definite amount is required. In the complex medium, the ingredients, or the second time, that is complex medium, it contains a exact chemical composition, but the all the ingredients in that chemical composition are not known by the person who is preparing it. Bacteria usually grow in the complex medium, and it is cheap medium for the preparation. It require the synthetic medium requires high costly components or the ingredients that are known, vitamins or any other resources that are to be added that are very costly, and so the complex mediums or semi-synthetic mediums are nowadays very popular, or that are basically used for the preparation or for the growth of microorganisms on the culture medium. Second, the examples of ingredients that are added in the complex medium is beef extract, that is the concentration of hot aqueous infusion of fresh beef. Second is a peptone, spray dried hydrolysate of various proteins, that is a nitrogen source. These are these three, that is yeast extract also is a nitrogen source, which is autolyzed yeast cells. For same solid medium, a solidifying agent, that is agar agar, at 1 to 2.5% is added. The agar agar is unbranched polysaccharide containing or obtained from the cell membranes of some species of red algae or seaweeds. Not digested by microorganisms, agar melts in the water at a 98 degrees Celsius or about boiling temperature and solidifies at 42 degrees Celsius, giving a gelatinous structure to the medium component. The basic media that are used for cultivation of most ordinary microorganisms or basic microorganisms. These are the basic medium. Some examples are nutrient broth, that is used regularly in the microbiology practice, composed of beef extract, peptone, and salt or table salt, NaCl. Maybe in the solid form, that is nutrient agar. Similar ingredients as nutrient broth, but supplemented with 2% of agar agar base. These are some of the solid culture mediums, that is deep slant, petri dishes, and slant. With this, I conclude my session on culture media. Thank you. Thank you very much.